Hi guys, Sean here from the Basecoating again. Welcome back. Just wanted to pop in and show you two of our new kits, our VW Kombis. Very excited about these coming out. We actually had them ready before lockdown, and people that had seen them here at the Basecoating were loving what they saw. So we're very excited about getting these going, and obviously with lockdown and being able to courier and that, now we can get these out to you. So let me start with the fact that we've done a VW Kombi in a girl and a boy design. You're going to basically get the base part of the Kombi either in the pretty pink and teal flowers or as the daisies. Perfect for that whole era and the love and the peace. So, as you can see, you're going to have a 20 by 20 wooden canvas MDF that you can hang and put wherever you need to. These are fantastic for doing with loved ones and making them up with your kids, or keeping yourself busy. They are not difficult to do, and you just need a bit of paint and brushes and your glue and you're away. So that's the base of our VW. You can see the blue daisies. You're also going to get a patterned part of the bunting with checks. And everywhere that's plain MDF, you get to paint the colors you want. So if you don't want a navy background and you'd like to make it bright yellow, well, there we go. You can do this. The kits don't come with paints and glues and varnishes. You guys all, I'm sure, have this paints and the glues and varnishes at home, or different types. You can use chalk paints, acrylics. It's totally up to you. Use what you've got. If you don't have and you really would like to order from or get hold of our paints and the colors I use, give us a shout or speak to our stockers, because you can order these through them, through the stockers, or you can come directly to us and order them. So you're going to get, these are a 21-piece kit. You can choose between girl and boy. You're going to get your canvas, you're going to get your bunting pieces, you paint everything up beforehand, and then you glue it all together. So your VW is going to go there, and you're going to put two little tires on, like so. Have our bumper there. And I just love the Kombis and the VW 4C. And I think all of us South Africans feel that way. There's our little emblem. There's our little windows, or big windows. Of course, the word love. And then we're going to put our little lights on. The rims around our lights. Two little hearts are going to go inside there. These little add-ons. Very simple, quick and easy, fun to do. I thoroughly enjoy painting these. Like I said to you, it's not difficult painting, it's just base coating. I did create a bit with dotting. So I have put some dots on around the hearts, on the lettering and the wording, and there you can see I've put some dots. And I actually used the Dot Easies we sell. So these are the Dot Easies we sell. They give you 8 sizes to them. Very small, they don't take up much room. 8 different sizes. I've used them for years on lace painting, because I do a lot of lace painting. So getting the different sizes is ideal for that kind of thing. So you can have your dots descending or ascending, however you like with them. And in the pack you get 8 different sizes. I think it's about 20 Rand a pack. So very inexpensive. If you want to add that to your kit, give us a shout. We'll make sure you get, because we do have stock of them. Here's the little pink one. You can see there with the flowers and the daisies and teal flowers. And then a little pink check bunting for that. And then you'll get all the blank pieces as well. So 21 pieces. Lots of fun to do while we're in lockdown. Lots of fun to do to keep your kids busy. Keep yourself busy. Paint them with your friends, your sisters, your mothers. Send them as gifts for them to paint during lockdown. The world is open, and I think it's just going to be a whole lot of fun. Let's create, let's keep busy, let's nurture our souls, and not get dragged down into the way we are at the moment in the world. So these are the kits, VW Kombis. I'm very excited to send them out. I hope you enjoy painting them. I'd love to see any of our kits that you've created. and painted, even if you've done different colors or added things to them or taken things out or whatever. I'm open to it. You create. I'd love to see them. So please feel free to share on our group. We do have a Velvet Attic group as well as our page. Just go on there, share it. I'll approve it. I'd love to see it, and I think everybody else would love to see what you've been doing and what everybody's doing. We're all there to inspire each other. So happy painting. I'll chat to you guys soon. Ciao.